Many people ask why Spline Architect isn't built on top of Unity Splines. There are several reasons, and I will explain them by starting with the smaller ones and working my way up to the biggest reason. Reason 1. Linking control points. In Unity Splines, you can only link control points on splines within the same spline container. I made Spline Architect so you can link any control points together. Reason number 2. Bugs. Like any software, Unity Splines might have some bugs. The problem isn't that bugs exist, it's that fixing them is outside of my control. If I build Spline Architect on top of Unity Splines, I might have to wait for Unity to release a fix before I can move forward. Reason number 3. Spline mod. In Unity Splines, moving control points requires entering Spline mod. And selecting a game object automatically exits Spline mod. This becomes inconvenient because in Spline Architect, you can move game object deformations directly on a spline. A typical workflow is to move a spline, move a deformation, move a spline again, move another deformation, and repeat. Having to constantly enter and leave Spline mode will get annoying quickly. Reason number 4. Bad performance in the editor. One of the bigger reasons is the editor performance when using Unity Splines while working with many splines. The more splines and control points we add, the more it lags, eventually reaching a point where it becomes difficult to work with. And when selecting multiple control points, the lag increases significantly. That was a major issue for me, and a strong reason I didn't want Spline Architect to use Unity Splines. With Spline Architect, I can work with hundreds of splines and multi-select hundreds of control points without any lag. Reason 5. Complete control. And now to the biggest reason. Complete control over the architecture. When you own the architecture, you decide how every part of the system works together. That freedom has allowed me to optimize Spline Architect far beyond what I believe would be possible otherwise. I have benchmarked Spline Architect against several other spline tools. And in my mesh deformation benchmark, Spline Architect isn't just 20 or 50% faster. It's currently 380% faster than the next closest competitor. If you're interested, the benchmark is linked in the description. Building my own spline architecture definitely meant more work. But looking back, I do believe it was the right decision. If you have any questions, join our Discord or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.